lazy dad has been cleaning our bins regularly since he got the portable EZclean power washer and the telescopic pole scrubber. The bins are not that dirty since he's been doing it regularly, but let me show you how he does it. He will assemble the tools and insert the batteries. Fill a bucket with water and mix in some environmental friendly dishwasher liquid. He mixed it together with a waterproof scrubber. The EZclean power washer delivers 600 psi of pressure and has 3 modes, 15 degree, power and rinse. He will start by rinsing the bins with soapy water, dip in the scrubber and brush the outside of the bins. He will then pressure wash the inside of the bins to get rid of the tough stains. He will extend the telescopic pole and adjust the angle of the scrubber to easily brush the inside of the bins. He will then do a final pressure wash of the inside. Before rinsing it off with fresh water. He can connect it to a hose, but I have no idea why he uses a bottle. I guess just because he can. As you can see, the bins are clean and smell fresh. Stay tuned, as he said he'll be doing the shower next. Hopefully it will be this year.